Left at A45, that Focus RS is doing so well. My gosh.
Right then, let's look at the times. The RS3 did the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The A45 took 12.9 seconds. The Focus RS, 13.5 seconds. And the Golf R and Civic Type R both did 14 seconds. Though looking at the Civic just pipped the Golf right on the line by the smallest bit of garish bumper trim. So, even though the front-wheel drive Civic was slower off the line, it eventually reeled in the Golf R and beat it.